Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the cell color on your Google Sheet mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the cell color on your Google Sheet mobile, I just going to show in this video. So clicking on the plus symbol, click on this new spreadsheet. I just open a new spreadsheet here. So I just need to change the cell color on the first, second and third. So after selecting the cell, click on this A symbol and you will see a two option here, and one was a text and second one was a cell. You can click on this cell here, you can get every cell customization option. On the first option you call fill color, click on this fill color option to change the color of the cell, particular cell. For an example, I just selected this, so I just going to select this two cell, click on this A symbol, click on this A symbol and click on the cell option. I just going to choose light color. So you can just choose different colors for the different cell, and if you just don't want a color, just want to reset it, click on this reset option, which actually brings back to the white color. And this is how, if you click on the green, you can see a darker color and also the lighter color. You click on the blue, you can see a darker color and also the lighter color. The same option for everything, which actually super good and super thing. Actually you can find a different colors for the cell, and this is how you just fill the cell color on your Google Sheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.